Why I choose this topic? Because smoking is a significant public health issue that affects millions of people worldwide. Discussing it can raise awareness about its dangers, promote cessation efforts, and highlight resources for support. It also allows for conversation about personal choice, addictions, and community health initiatives if you're interested in specific aspects, like preventions, cessation strategies. Let me know. Importance of the topic and how can you help the community. 1. Health risks. Smoking is linked to various diseases, including the lung cancer, heart disease, and respiratory issues. 2. Economic impact. Smoking-related illness lead to substantial healthcare costs and lost productivity. 3. Environmental concerns. Cigarette butts contribute to pollution and tobacco farming can lead to deforestation and biodiversity loss. 4. Social stigma and inequality. Smoking often affects marginalized communities disproportionately. Addressing these disparities can improve social equality. Ways to help the community. 1. Education and awareness. Organize workshops, distribute informational materials, and use social media to raise awareness about the dangers of smoking and the benefits of quitting. 2. Support groups. Establish or promote support groups of individuals trying to quit smoking, providing a space for shared experience and encouragement. 3. Access to resources. Help connect community members with resources such as quiet lines, counseling service, and nicotine replacement therapies. 4. Advocacy. Advocate for policies that promote smoke-free environments, high tax on tobacco products, and stricter advertising regulations. 5. Youth programs. Develop programs aimed at preventing smoking among youth, such as mentorships and initiatives of school-based education. As a ICCT chance, how can I promote this topic? As a student of ICCT, what I can share with everyone who use cigarettes is that it can affect our health and we need to avoid it and change ourselves. Smoking is not the right or proper way to have fun. Young people often imitate older ones, and this is not a good influence on their health. Additionally, for pregnant women who smoke, it can lead to health issues and complications during childbirth. It also harmful for children to see adults smoking, whether at home or outside, including in schools. We need to prevent addiction to smoking.